Are you looking to make up to $200 per day? Well, I have 13 apps or websites that can help you earn this amount with so much ease. So I love all these platforms because they are very easy to set up and they have amazing reviews. Even better is the fact that I've earned from some of these platforms and I can confirm the reliability of their earnings. The other exciting thing about these businesses is that you can run them as side hustles to generate passive income on the side alongside whatever business you do or job that you do at the moment. And of course, it also serves as a means to generate income for your savings and for your investment purposes over the long term. So without more delay, let's get down to it. So the first one I'll be talking about is Rakuten. So Rakuten partners with over 3,000 stores, of which they get commissions from. Now they are able to share 10% of those commissions with you in form of cashback. You can also earn income from in-store purchases by linking a card that you own to Rakuten app, and whenever you make purchases with those cards, you get cashbacks as well. All the earnings are either paid through check or PayPal. So I'm going to rate this app a 5/5 in terms of the ease of generating revenue from this platform. The second one is what I call the freelance apps such as Fiverr and Upwork. So on this platform, you can offer your skills as a freelancer, selling your services to whoever is requesting or requiring it. This could be entrepreneurs, businesses, anywhere all over the world. So you can offer your services in 3 tiers where you get to set the prices between $5 and $995. So something I love about this platform is that as you get more reviews, your strength continues to grow and your earnings potential will continue to expand. Registration on the platform is free and you can easily create an account on this platform at no cost by registering as a service provider. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 5, I rate this a 4/5. The third platform is what I call Swagbox. So Swagbox allows you to earn cash when you perform certain activities that are required on the app. You can make money through different activities such as watching promotional videos, completing surveys, shopping online, and buying even groceries. So whenever you complete a task, you are credited with some points, and those points can then be redeemed for cash, check, gift cards, and payment through PayPal. Registration on this app is also free. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to rate this app a 4/5. So the fourth on my list is the ride-sharing app, which includes DoorDash, Uber, and the likes. So this platform allows you to generate income by using your car or your vehicle as a means of ride-sharing or to deliver food to different people. For you to effectively earn on this platform, you need to own at least a car, a bicycle, or a scooter, or any other means of transportation that can help you deliver food or carry people in the process. I love this app because of the flexibility of setting my availability and time, and as well as picking whatever orders that make sense to me or not. You can register on this platform by downloading the app to your mobile device and creating your account with ease. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to rate the earnings potential of this app as a 5/5. So the fifth app is what I call TaskRabbit. So TaskRabbit connects taskers, who are the people providing services to people that need them, to the clients. So typically, these clients would need certain tasks to be done within their local area as the need arises. Some of the services that you can offer on TaskRabbit includes furniture assembly, yard work, grocery shopping, even helping people to move. I also love this app because you can easily choose the jobs you want to take. You can set your availability or time period, and of course you can determine the rate at which you want to charge your clients or customers. So signing up on TaskRabbit is actually very simple. You just need to download the app, select the services you want to offer, and then complete a verification process. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I'll rate the earning potential of this app as a 5/5. So the sixth app I'll be talking about is what I call Receipt Hug. So Receipt Hug is a mobile app that rewards you for scanning and sharing your receipt from your day-to-day purchases. So in order to enjoy the benefits of this platform, all you need to do is submit images of your paper receipts and then connect your online account, take surveys about the purchases so that you can earn the rewards. So as you perform all of these activities, you end up getting rewards in form of coins, which you can then redeem for cash. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to rate this a 3.5 in terms of its earnings potential. So number 7 on my list is called Turo. So Turo is the world's largest car sharing marketplace. So on this platform, you can rent out your car for a desired fee, or basically use Turo's recommended calculator to determine how much you can earn from the platform based on the type of car you own, the location you stay, and of course your availability and other factors like peak and non-peak period. So I love this platform because they offer protection for theft and damages to your vehicle if you were to give it out, and also a $750,000 liability insurance if anything ever happens to your vehicle or the car that you're going to give out to people. So you can keep up to 65 to 90% of your total earnings from renting out your car to visitors or whoever actually goes on the platform to get your car. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to rate this a 5/5 in terms of its earning potential. So number 8 app is what I call Instacart. So Instacart is one of the most popular grocery delivery businesses that gives you an opportunity to be a shopper on their platform. With this app, I can actually confirm that you can earn more than $200 in a single day. So signing up on this platform is as easy as just downloading the app, entering your information, and then starting up on the platform. Now you need to know that after you start up and answer all the questions about you, your phone service, and general information about your personal self, Instacart will then perform a background check on your information. Once you're finally approved, you can then set your availability in advance of when you want to work, and of course this gives you some level of flexibility. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to rate this a 5/5 due to its high income earning potential. Number 9 platform on my list is what I call Poshmark. So Poshmark is a social marketplace for selling your used clothing, accessories, electronics, home decor, and so on. So if you have that item that is forgotten somewhere in your closet or hanging somewhere in your house, then pick them up, list them on Poshmark, and then make some income. So Poshmark is actually very easy to use. Once you identify the things you want to sell, take a picture, upload on the platform, provide a description, and of course set your prices you want to sell at. Then as people declare their interest in your item, you can then choose to accept or decline their offer based on the price that works for you. So once payment is made, Poshmark will email you a prepaid shipping label and then pay you in form of check or cash whenever the payment is received, and of course those items are received by the customers. So I'm going to be rating this a 4/5 in terms of its earnings potential and the ease of selling on the platform. So the 10th app on my list is what I call Sweatcoin. So if you're one person that loves to keep fit at every point in time you go for walks, then this app might just be for you. So Sweatcoin is an app that helps you to earn money while you go on several walks. So what this app basically does is that it tracks all your walks and allocates 0.95 sweat coins for every 1,000 steps you take. So you can then redeem all of those coins into any gift card of your choice on your marketplace. So beyond all of this, you can also earn by referring people to the platform and of course becoming an influencer on the platform. So registering on Sweatcoin is free and easy to use. All you need to do is download the app into your phone or your smartwatch, and then you're good to go. So an alternative to Sweatcoin is an app called Achievement. You can also check out for that if that works better for you. So on a scale of 1 to 3, I'm going to rate this a 3/5. So the next platform for me is what I call the fatlama.com. Fatlama allows you to rent any of your belongings or accessories to people in exchange for money. So you can earn as much as $50 to about $1,000 on a monthly basis just by renting out an unused property or accessory that you own. So if you're concerned about the loss of your property, you should also know that there's an owner guarantee of $40,000 for every item that you rent out on the platform. So if you choose to set up on this platform, registration is free. However, there is a service charge of 25% for every income that you make. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to rate this a 4/5. Number 12 on my list is what I call Udemy. So Udemy is an online training platform that allows you to sell all your training and course products. So I love this platform because it gives you an opportunity to be flexible in terms of working from home and of course increasing your earnings potential as you increase the products that you sell on their platform. So what this implies is that the higher the number of products you sell on the platform, the higher potential you have to increase your income earned from there. Also, once a course has been generated and put up on the platform, you don't have to do so much work subsequently. You start to earn passive income from there. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to rate this a 4/5, and that's because of the challenge of setting up a course or creating the training materials up front. However, the earnings potential is pretty high. So the last platform I'll be talking about is what I call TryMatter. So this platform allows you to earn income by testing applications and websites and then giving your feedback on how those platforms went. So this platform gives you an opportunity to test applications and websites, and then you have to give feedback on how those platforms work. So this platform is beneficial to different companies, designers, coders, who choose to understand the actual issues that people face by using their website and their platforms. So you typically get about $10 roughly for every test you take, and an average test takes about 20 minutes to complete. Also, signing up on this platform is pretty straightforward. You just need to register an account, enter your details, and you're good to go. So I'll be rating this app a 3/5 based on its income earnings potential. Alright, those are my 13 apps. I hope you found them interesting. If you're truly serious about earning side income, you might want to consider any of these 13 I earlier mentioned, and of course, try them out and see how it plays out for you. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and share with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel, and look out for my next side hustle video. Bye.